Just got to clean up a little bit. Washed up. Ain't too bad. The paint's not bad. Wax it out. Looks like it's been hit here. Looks like it's been half-ass sprayed here. Bumper is plastic dipped. Need it repainted. Quarter rust. Little rocker rust. Barely. Paint's good. Runs good. No check light. Nothing. Yeah. You cannot.